Today's video is a treat. Many of you have been asking in the YouTube comments where you can get reliable access to CBD Isolate powder for your lotion products. And I'm going to show you my sources of where you can get a reliable product. So stay tuned in this video. I'm going to hook you up with some very good resources. Today I'm going to bring your attention to a CBD beauty cream. Now this is a lotion that was sent to me by Crucible Body Care located in Washington State. This is a CBD cream made with arnica oil made by Linda Warner. She's the owner of Crucible Body Care. And I'm going to give you a review on this product. Now this is not sponsored or paid. Linda is a member over at Thermal Mermaid, and she's an active contributor on our Facebook group at Thermal Mermaid Soap and Bath Making. I'll be posting more information about this product over in the group, so if this ends up interesting you, you can find her and her resources over there in the Facebook group. Now, I've been using this lotion now for over a week. I've been using it every day, and Linda originally sent this to me as a standard lotion, which I fell in love with instantly. And over the course of the week, I've started using this as a face cream, specifically as a primer before I put my makeup on, and I love it for that purpose. So let's take a look at what we have here. I received this 1 ounce. A little bit goes a very long way. I've been using this every day, and I've used about 1/4 of the container, so for my use this container will last me about a month. The cream itself, it's light and smooth. This one here is scented with peppermint essential oil. It goes on cool to the touch. It's perfectly smooth when it's applied to your skin. It absorbs almost instantly, and it moisturizes beautifully. Now, there's nothing left behind on your skin as soon as you rub it in. No waxy layer, no buildup, and no grease. This is one of the reasons, this is one of several reasons, which I'll list, of why I've chosen to use it as a face cream. Now, upon application, my skin has a moisturized matte feel to it. And I've been using this as a primer to set my makeup. Now, here in Connecticut, we've been going through a heat wave. And when I apply this cream, I don't feel it on my skin, so I can apply a light layer of makeup without any caking. And then when I say light, that's because of the weather. If you wanted a heavier layer of foundation, you can still use this cream without any caking. Now, I'm 42, so as many of you who are north of my age bracket, you'll all know that we don't use a lot of base and foundation so that your makeup doesn't stick to fine lines and exaggerate what might be baby wrinkles. And this cream, it doesn't sit in the crease of your skin to catch that face powder. It sinks in quickly, and this is another reason why I'm using this as a makeup primer. Now, some of you more knowledgeable cosmetic creators out there are going to break down the ingredients and question if this product is made for face, eyes, and lips. And the answer is that it is not. She's got a good, strong preservative in here. In this case, it's Germabin 2. That's a broad spectrum preservative, and it's made especially for lotions and shampoos. And it is reported that it's not for face, eyes, and lips. Now that said, she's not advertising this as a face cream, just as a lotion as for what it is, and I'm using it as a face cream, and I'm fully aware of what Germabin 2 is, and I'm not worried about putting it on my face. So let's take a look at the other ingredients in this product. Right on the top of the label it says Arnica Cream and CBD Isolate. Well, if you're watching this, you probably already know what CBD Isolate is. This is hemp-derived CBD that comes in a form of a crystalline powder dissolved into the lotion, and it's believed to have medicinal properties that people are very interested in these days. Now, from my personal experience, I can't speak to any CBD providing an active component. Some people say it's alleviating pain and tension topically on their skin, or maybe even a few layers below. In fact, many people swear by it. However, I don't have pain, so I don't know either way. Another main ingredient in this product is arnica oil. Now, arnica has a whole host of perceived benefits, and this includes the reduction of swelling, redness, puffiness, stiffness, and also this is an herb that when consumed people believe helps with osteoarthritis. Now, arnica is used as a holistic medicine in the northern European countries for arthritis specifically, and of course eating something is not the same as rubbing it in topically, and these medicinal claims are not substantiated by canon medicine, so we're not making any health or medicinal claims in the same way that you would with any other over-the-counter lotion that you might buy from your pharmacy or any commercial brand lotion. We're in the land of cosmetics, but these perceived benefits are things that a lot of people do swear by. So those are the classifications that arnica falls under. Also in this recipe is goat's milk. Now, this is another ingredient that has skin benefits. It's pretty well established that the lactic acid in the milk breaks up dead skin cells so they fall away more easily, keeping your skin looking fresh with the living cells on the surface of your skin. Goat's milk also has alpha hydroxy acids, which may ring a bell to you because, yeah, that's a big ingredient in face creams for young looking skin. So overall, this is a winning formula, and I'll tell you that when this runs out, I will be purchasing it from Linda to keep this in my makeup bag specifically. I did have one Olay face cream that I really liked, and this will be replacing it. Now just keep in mind, I make this stuff with variations of different recipes, so there's nothing really keeping me from just making my own face cream, except that this is her recipe. This is the one that I want in my makeup bag, so once I'm done using this, I will be replacing it by purchasing it from her. Now, additionally, I hope in the future that she's going to make this with options in other fragrances. I know that peppermint is a popular essential oil. It's wonderful in lotions, especially if massage oils are the direction that you want to go in, and Linda has expressed to me that she's working toward the massage oil end of these creams. So peppermint and lavender are going to be the most popular for her. To me, peppermint smells very medicinal or clinical, so I would really like this in sandalwood, maybe coconut, maybe a pumpkin, something light, or even no fragrance since I'm using this as a makeup. Now, additionally, Linda is also an authorized retailer of CBD distillery. Now, this is a retailer online that it's built a reputation for itself for selling high-quality CBD isolate for craft makers. Not only is she making these lotions for retail, but she can get you pure isolate powder if you want to craft these lotions for yourself. Now, in recent months, many of us have used Essentials Depot and the Greener Life Club for reliable CBD isolate powder, but they've made some changes to their policy, and to me it looks like this is just a way to establish a more solid customer relationship and for them to know exactly who it is that they're selling to. It's required now that you meet them in person before you can make a purchase for your CBD isolate powder, and at least that was the policy change about a month ago. These things can change, they're always fluid, and that's pretty much because the laws regarding hemp-derived CBD are still in their infancy. I'm not up to the most current info with this particular company because I'm still well stocked on my last purchase, but if this is just a matter of convenience, then you can pop over to Linda's website, which is located at thermalmermaid.com/shop/Crucible Body Care, and check out her offers for CBD isolate powder. The direct link is below this video. Now, you may notice that the URL is Thermal Mermaid, but you're not buying from me. You're dealing directly from Linda and her business at Crucible Body Care. All of the stores that are hosted at Thermal Mermaid are run by their own shop owners, and this is a direct contact between you and their businesses. I am not receiving profit or commission from any of the products sold at companies owned by shops that are hosted on Thermal Mermaid. So this concludes my review of Crucible Body Care and Linda's work out of Washington State. If you'd like to contact Linda directly, her email is posted below and she can answer any questions about her products. If you would like to browse her lotions or her CBD offers, you can find her shop posted below as well. And if you'd like to keep up with any offers, coupons, or discounts that she might have, she's free to post those over at the Facebook group at Thermal Mermaid Soap and Bath Making. So you may want to just jump over there and check out the group to see if there are any updates or coupons happening that she wants you to know about. So thank you for joining me again while we build our community with supportive craft makers who come together and make our work so much more robust. I'll mention that despite the fact that I've done this for quite a while, I'm constantly learning from our group members, which inspires me to do more research, and then I turn around and I'm able to make a better product all the time. I will definitely be incorporating arnica oil into my future lotion recipes, and this gem comes from Linda Warner at Crucible Body Care. So take care, guys, and if you're interested in the great man-eating tarantula that's about to be turned into soap, then make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on what's about to happen to a 7-inch spider that I teased you with and I showed you over on my other YouTube channel. See you next time, guys.